Dear students and dear parents, welcome to the new academic session 2020-21. Dear all, we are well aware of the current scenario of COVID-19. We know the fact that it is a serious situation wherein physical teaching and physical schooling is not possible in near future. Keeping this in mind, the school has now shifted its teaching practice on a virtual basis. We need to shift from physical teaching to virtual teaching, and therefore we have come up with the entire idea of going online classes for 9th standard from now on. I remember in the month of May, we started with the online classes with 10th standard. We all are well aware that we commence with 10th standard session as early as possible in the month of April every year. But this year it was not possible, and therefore we had to work out how we could go for online classes, and finally we started their classes in the month of May. Likewise, now we would commence with 9th standard from Monday, and before that we would float our introductory sessions for all the subjects through our website. The modus operandi for the same will be as it is what we have followed for 10th standard. That is, we would start our online classes, we would upload our recorded videos on our website. Dear parents and dear students, the situation is really precarious, and therefore, in lieu of physical teaching, we have shifted to virtual teaching. What happens in this regard is, the onus precisely lies on the students. When the teaching is done in the school, it is possible for teachers to take charge of their classes and look after the children well, solve their doubts then and there, make the understanding process better. But in virtual classes, there are a few limitations, and we need to understand those. Though we would commence with recorded sessions in the initial stage of teaching, and we would gradually move on to live classes, still, dear children, see that you are absolutely attentive in all the classes whichever would be held hereinafter. Self-study is the gimmick, and that's the only key for virtual proper learning. If you are absent and if you are not attentive, everything would go for a toss. The school is taking utmost care and paying utmost attention that there should be no loss in regard to your learning part, and your parents are providing you every kind of facility for the same. But the onus lies on you. You have to be mentally prepared now to learn on your own, supplemented and complemented by your parents and the school fraternity. You have to be on your toes 24/7, learning on your own, listening to the virtual classes, following the timetable which will be very soon floated, attending the sessions regularly, completion of homework and assignments, also attempting the classes regularly and more of it religiously. I know that there are certain problems which we have faced while we started the classes for 10th standard, and today we are in a much more comfortable position to reach up to you because we tried hard to eliminate all those problems as far as possible. But in near future also, even for 9th standard and even for the coming classes, There might be some technical glitch, there might be some other problem which crop up which we have not foreseen from our end and at your end as well. Dear parents and dear teachers, we all have to work together. We have been working together in the past, and even for the virtual lessons we have to be together. A most important technical glitch which has come up past couple of months is the SMS facility of the school, due to some technical reasons, have stopped, because of which it is very difficult for us to reach up to you recurrently, and that's the only mode of communication for us in current times. Therefore, we are insisting that you should visit the website regularly for our messages. More of it, we are going to have WhatsApp group as well for class teachers and their respective parents, through which we would reach to you with the important messages. The representatives should also address our problems and reach up to the parents. That would be a great help for the school. Now that we are commencing with our live classes, it becomes imperative for us to start them in the morning hours. We started with 10th standard classes in a recorded version, but then it was easy for us initially and for the parents also. Now we have to adapt to our technology in such a way that these live classes should be made available to the children at your end also. Keeping this in mind, and to eliminate most of the problems which you would face, because working parents definitely would come up with the suggestion that it should not be after 11 or maybe after 10, because they won't be in a position to provide mobiles or laptops to their children, and therefore we restrict our live online classes teaching to 2 hours, at max 2.5 hours, and that too precisely in the morning. The timetable would be floated very soon. Tentatively, it would be from 8 to 10:30. Just because we thought that it would be suitable for the parents, we have chosen this timing. So dear parents, it's an earnest request from the school that please make these gadgets available to the children for live classes. In worst case scenario, it would be supplemented by the recorded videos as well. So if at all, at times you cannot provide this facility, maybe children are not available at times, they can always go in for the recorded sessions as well. The recorded sessions prove of a great help for understanding purpose, because those can be played again and again. Dear parents, we expect cooperation and support. And when I say this, I daunt upon my statement because you have been really very cooperative and supportive in the Easter years. But as you all know, that I cannot commit at this point of time, because there are certain unforeseen situations which might crop up, and therefore please bear with us. We are trying very hard to reach up to you in the easiest possible way, which is accessible to you in the easiest possible way to receive. But then give us some time. We are really working on it, and we will sort out every problem which comes in our way. Dear parents, feel free to talk to us. You can reach up to us through email and messages or through parent representatives if you find any problem in virtual lessons. And I know you would never ever crib and complain and have a lobby talk outside, maybe some kind of discussion among parents, because that would not solve our problem. Instead, you can always come up to us so that we know where we are lacking and we will improve. Of course, when I make a promise, I keep it, but still I repeat that there can be some problems, there can be some technical glitch, there can be problems at your end as well, which we might not have foreseen. Please reach up to us so that we can sort it out 100%. At least we can try for it. Dear parents, we are well aware of the adverse effects of excessive use of technology. Keeping this in mind, we have planned to have live sessions not more than 2 hours, and those would be sent to you in the form of recordings, so that if in case the child cannot see the live sessions, he will not miss out this facility provided by the school. Intermittent doubt solving sessions will also come up to you along with class tests. Please avail all these benefits which the school is providing so that you don't miss out the teaching learning process, and update yourself and adapt yourself for the same. Thank you, dear parents, for your patient listening. Thank you, dear students. And once again, I welcome everyone to this academic session. All the best. God bless.